feel the pain. Echoes of dreams we can't reclaim. Under shadows we hide our shame. Whispers in the rain call your name. Your touch was soft, it broke my walls. Caught in the silence of your calls. Tears that fall like waterfalls. Our love that stumbles, stalls and crawls. Your touch was soft, it broke my walls. Caught in the silence of your calls. Tears that fall like waterfalls. Our love that stumbles, stalls and crawls. You and I, we dance in sorrow. Trust and love we beg and borrow. Every breath feels hard to swallow. Heartbeats speak of no tomorrow. Your eyes, they ask if we can mend. Moments lost, we can't pretend. On this path that seems to bend, will love lead us to the end? Let the rain wash all our fears. Mend the cracks, erase the years. Hold me close, let's dry our tears. In the calm when dawn appears. You and I, we dance in sorrow. Trust and love we beg and borrow. Every breath feels hard to swallow. Heartbeats speak of no tomorrow. You and I, we dance in sorrow. Trust and love we beg and borrow. Every breath feels hard to swallow. Heartbeats speak of no tomorrow.